Welcome to the cooler report. I'm going to introduce our newest products on my right hand. For the stainless steel made chairs, and let me give the overall sizes first. For the entire length, they are about like a 22.5 inches wide. And the depth of the unit is about like a 21 inches. And the overall height, they are about like a 32 inches tall. For the seating areas, the dimensions will be about like 17.5 inches wide and 16 inches deep. And for the back area, they are about like 18 inches tall and 11 inches wide. So this is all the demonstration information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.